how to import AliExpress reviews to Shopify. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can import AliExpress reviews over to your Shopify store. So firstly, you have to come over to your Shopify dashboard, and right now I am going to just log in into my Shopify dashboard. So over here, as soon as I've logged in, after that, I want you guys to click on the left side on Add Apps, and then after that, click on the Shopify App Store. Once you guys do this, then you guys are going to be taken over to this particular page. Now from over here, click on Search Apps. And after that, type in AliExpress reviews. Now once you guys type in AliExpress reviews, now over here you guys can basically see that you guys have so many different tools that you guys can use to import reviews from AliExpress. I want you guys to just simply choose this particular application, which is TT Ali Reviews Product Reviews. Simply click on this and then simply click on Add App, and then after that, once this particular application is added, then you guys can just simply import comments, reviews. You guys can also import many different products as well from AliExpress over to your Shopify store. So guys, this is the fastest way to import reviews from AliExpress. I hope this video helped you guys out. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. Till next time, goodbye.